show you Microsoft has released a brand new extension for software development. If you simply write here v toolkit inside the extensions tab, this is Microsoft AI toolkit for VS Code. So this is the extension that I'm talking about. It's Microsoft official extension, and it's similar to Claude Chat GPT, where it provides you suggestions related to software development. It's got almost 360,000 installs. So the thing about this extension is that it's totally free, and it actually allows a playground section where you can access all the top AI models, including GPT-5, Claude, Gemini. So once you activate this extension in VS Code, you click on Open Model Catalog, and here you will see all the major AI models which will be there. So it will be directly added right here. AI Toolkit, simply activate this, and this has this section right here where the playground section where you can try out different models directly. So from here you can select whichever model that you want to use, and you simply select Gemini 2.5 or DeepSeek. Simply select the model, and now inside the chat prompt you can ask any sort of question, and now the model will definitely reply to you. So there is no need to log in or pay any kind of subscription fees. This is all in one free extension, so I can actually ask anything. So I can say build a scientific calculator web app in browser and make a, so you can ask any kind of question and automatically it will build out the application. So you can even change the model as well. You can compare models, we can simply browse other models as well. You can add your own model as well. If you have a local model, you can click this button to add your own local model as well. So it also have a GPT-5 Gemini 2.5 Pro. You can try this in the playground section. You can simply add your API key. So I basically can try the Gemini one. So I've already added the API key. So I can simply say hi. So now you will see the Gemini 2.5 flash preview will respond to us. So this is a really useful extension, guys. Definitely try this. Build a. So again, I ask a question right here. You will see the model will respond to us. So here it actually shows you how much tokens are remaining. So Gemini does provide a free access. So that's why you can paste the API key. And here you can see the view code section as well. So this is the extension AI Toolkit for Visual Studio Code. The latest version is 2.0. So now you can see it is actually generating all the source code files for our calculator. You can just see the speed here. So in this easy way, you can try out any sort of AI model directly using this extension. So it generates all the responses for you. So this is developed by AI Microsoft, and it also has autocomplete features as well. So whenever you write code inside VS Code, it will provide you with autocomplete suggestions as well once you enable this extension. So definitely try this AI toolkit for VS Code, and